Today, we are making delicious keto-friendly blueberry ice cream. You guys, look at this delicious, creamy ice cream that is keto-friendly. And all you will need are just a few simple ingredients to make it happen. We've got vanilla, erythritol, heavy whipping cream, almond milk, and blueberries. And I am using my Cuisinart ice cream maker. You start by putting all those ingredients together except for the blueberries. Mix it thoroughly and then refrigerate for 2 hours. Then you add the half cup of the blueberries. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. And then turn on your Cuisinart to the setting for making ice cream. Now you're going to pour the ice cream mixture into the spout at the top of the ice cream maker. And just sit and wait. "20 minutes later, you've got this delicious blueberry ice cream.